Hello, and you're watching Claptrap. We're back again and again. Welcome to the world of luxury. Going to a house that has been serving not only film artists, celebrities, politicians, industrialists. Also, they are known for luxury segment furniture units. We have done multiple videos with them. Let's take a small introduction of Luxurio Boutiques Home located in Hyderabad. There's a massive sale going on. Let's begin the video.
Hello Gitesh ji.
हेलो संजीव जी,
Welcome back to Claptrap.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपका भी हैदराबाद में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Thank you very much. And our favorite store, Luxurio Boutique Homes, for quality and design.
यस सर, एब्सोल्युटली।
जब भी हैदराबाद में आते हैं तो it's amazing. I mean हर बार कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है.
थैंक यू सर।
Alright. So for the people those who have joined us recently, and now you know the Claptrap family is getting larger day by day,
Yes.
going leaps and bounds.
Yes.
So we need to brief a little bit about the company, then we'll come to the point.
Definitely sir. So Luxurio Boutique Homes, as everyone knows, and for the new Claptrap family members also, I'm just taking you a brief of the entire brand. We are a furniture manufacturing brand in India. We manufacture bespoke customized furniture for all our clients for the requirements, needs according to their house. उनका थीम क्या है, उनको कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस क्या चाहिए, उनको साइज़ क्या चाहिए with respect to that. And these are not regular products that are available in the market. These are all luxury products which are available at premium luxury stores pan India from different brands in Italy, China and every other places. हम वही ब्रांड्स के हिसाब से पूरा डिज़ाइंस कस्टमाइज़ करते हैं और कस्टमर्स तक अपने पहुंचाते हैं. वी कैन चेंज द साइज, कलर, ज्योमेट्री, everything of the product, and we can also manufacture an exact product given to us by a client or a designer or an architect. So we are specialized in doing all those activities.
All right. Furniture fraternity is, to my understanding, is either mass production driven or it is a design driven industry.
Yes sir.
But when it comes to premium segment, it's of course its quality is very important, but its designs are very important.
Yes.
The power of people actually harness the power of design. So people like you, those who have amazing designs. So do we have a team of people those who design for us?
Yes sir. So there is a full team of back-end design team with us. So especially I personally take care of the design team. I am the HOD for the design team.
All right.
And the entire team works very hard in giving proper shape, sizes, color combinations, which is the most important thing. आप चाहे कितना भी अच्छा मटेरियल लगा लीजिए, अगर फिर वो कलर आपके घर में जेल नहीं हो रहा है,
right,
then that furniture piece will not look good. That furniture piece might look good, very beautiful in the showroom where you are actually seeing it and buying it from. But before buying it, please step a foot back and think whether that color will look good at your place or not. Product हमारा अभी लॉन्च हुआ है, नया प्रोडक्ट रहने दीजिए, पुराना प्रोडक्ट रहने दीजिए, पिछले 1 साल का जो भी हमारा कैटलॉग है उन सभी पे 50% ऑफ हम लोग आपको ऑफर कर रहे हैं ऑन रेडी स्टॉक्स ओनली.
Okay.
जो
50% flat off.
50% flat off on ready stocks. On customized furniture there is no 50%. It is the standard Claptrap discount that we give, which is 25% on that.
All right.
बाकी पूरा on store product on ready stocks we are ready to give 50% off for this year end clearance sale.
Okay, but generally, since you and me are acquainted with each other, but a lot of people will definitely ask, like, how do we make this possible happen? Since a lot of people, they will ask you the question. So, on their behalf, I'm this. How do you make this possible?
Sir, it is not that we are making it possible. एक तो दो चीज़ है, हमने इसमें सेल लगा दिया है, तो we have given up our margins. Whenever it is sale, ठीक है, मेरे पास प्रोडक्ट का क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा है, हमने बल्क मैन्युफैक्चर करके रखा है, सो हमारा बल्क मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का जो मार्जिन हमें बचता है तो वो हम क्लाइंट को छोड़ रहे हैं.
Okay.
If I manufacture one chair of this, it would be around 30 to 40,000 rupees. But if I manufacture 10 pieces of this, almost 15 to 20% costing come down.
Okay.
I will purchase foam in bulk, frames in bulk, fabric in bulk.
So mass production.
So it's a mass production. So हमने अभी mass production catalog भी हमारा launch कर दिया है, where all these products will be available with us. Till now, Luxurio was a boutique store only where we used to customize products for our client, and we doesn't used to keep stocks.
Okay.
And we used to only supply. Now for our retail clients also, we have models which we are keeping continuously in stocks.
All right.
So those products will come at a lesser cost to our client with the same quality.
Right.
So इसमें limitations है कि आप अगर प्रोडक्ट लेके आ रहे हो तो वो तो वही प्राइस का है जो पहले था, बट थोड़े प्रोडक्ट्स हमने उनमें से सेग्रीगेट कर बल्क में बना लिए हैं जिनका प्राइस हम आपको 15 to 20% लेसर और दे सकते हैं क्लाइंट को, बट दे हैव टू सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम दोज प्रोडक्ट्स ओनली. इट्स अ प्रीडिफाइंड कैटलॉग नाउ.
Okay, it's more like clothing industry की तरह है. Basically, you have a certain amount of margin fixed in the beginning of the year. Once you achieve this, then you want to clear your inventory.
Absolutely, year-end
It's like
sale
that.
is that only. Year-end sale is to achieve your targets, remove your inventory,
Okay.
and get fresh inventory for the fresh year in.
All right, done. So 50% flat off from the day the video is uploaded for how many days?
Till 5th of March, 25 days. 50% off for 25 days.
For 25 days.
Yes.
Okay, done. All the units, they are available in very good shape. I know that, and quality is
They are
already
all
assured.
they are all new pieces. 50% ये clearance sale नहीं है. Clearance sale का मतलब ये होता है कि as in as is, फटा है तो भी आपका, खराब है तो भी आपका, वो नहीं है. This is a year-end sale. All are new pieces, fresh pieces.
But any which ways you can't do it because there's a promise attached to your company, and
Absolutely.
you cannot defy people.
Yes.
The deliverance of promise is very important when it comes
So
to the
we are
brand like
making it
yours.
very clear. It's all new pieces, fresh pieces, and we have them in quantity. Few pieces from ranging from 5 to 10 piece each.
Okay.
Okay. So with respect to that, till the stocks are there, till the offer is there, we are going to get 50%. After the offer is over, after the date is gone, if we are still remaining with stocks, also the 50% will not come.
All right. ठीक है. Done. And no kind of customization is possible unless you have variety available.
Customization is possible in this, but then 50% आपको नहीं आएगा.
ठीक बात है.
क्योंकि मैं ready stocks पे 50% दे रहा हूँ. I've already made these pieces and kept.
Okay.
So if there's any customization, then again I have to make a new piece for the client.
I know.
So that is not a sale then. That's a new order to me.
Right. Right.
Yes.
Let's start the journey now.
Sure,
Okay.
sir.
We'll start with this one.
Yes, sir.
Right. बताइए तेजी.
So this is a new collection that we have launched now. This is a beautiful neoclassical series.
Okay.
In this neoclassical series, we have tried to give a combination of black and very beautiful texture on the seat and the back. ठीक है. We have made a set in this which is 3.5 seater because if you see the arms are little sleeker, तो हमें seating space इसमें ज़्यादा मिली है. The
Right.
arms are little sleeker. 3.5 seater, 2 seater and a single accent chair. This is a 3-to-1 set. इसके साथ में ही हम लोग ने एक ब्यूटीफुल कॉफ़ी टेबल, उसका एक छोटा वर्जन ऑफ साइड टेबल एंड अ ब्यूटीफुल मेटल कॉफ़ी टेबल विद ड्रेप्स इन द बॉटम, ये भी एक इंट्रोड्यूस किया है सो दैट दिस सेट एज इन विल बी इन द रिटेल सेगमेंट नाउ.
All right.
नाउ दीज पीसेस वी विल रेप्लिकेट इन नंबर्स एंड प्राइस इसका कम रहेगा हमारे क्लाइंट्स को देने के लिए.
Right.
द क्वालिटी, द मेटल, द फोम, द फैब्रिक इज एवरीथिंग सेम.
All right.
ठीक है. वही अगर हम पहले इसको 20 स्पोक में बनाते हैं तो इसका प्राइस अराउंड पूरा सेट का जाता है अराउंड 5.5 लाख रुपीस के आसपास, और हम उसमें 30% ऑफर करते थे. अभी हमारा इसका प्राइस जो जा रहा है आफ्टर डिस्काउंट ऑफ 50% 2,75,000 रुपीस में ये पूरा सेट मिल जाएगा.
Including these three beautiful circular coffee tables.
Yes, and these sets cannot be broken.
Right.
The price is for the set. You take a 4-seater sofa, that 3.5 or 4-seater sofa, 2-seater, 1-seater, and this together. So this is the price of the entire set.
All right. You cannot
2,75,000.
make any kind of changes in terms of units.
No,
right?
sir, you cannot make changes in this. If you make the changes, then you can only skip the center table and take the sofa set.
All right.
क्योंकि उसका प्राइस अलग है, उसका प्राइस अलग है.
That's a set and this is a set.
Yeah,
again.
that's a set and this is a set.
All right.
An order-made sofa. Client has a very big living room.
All right.
So he wanted a single piece 5-seater sofa,
Okay.
more than a 5-seater in Italian model with neckrest adjusters and everything. This sofa is in pure leather.
Oh, okay.
So the actual order of the client is a 5-seater plus a 3-seater beside it. So because of the space हम 3-seater नहीं ला पाए यहाँ पर.
All right.
But ये 5-seater हमने single piece में बनाया है. And if you can see the total length of it, I'll just show you.
This is abnormally long.
Yeah.
Right?
So this is like, if you can go there and zoom on the tape, it is 10 feet.
Okay, let me just show it to my viewers. Outer to outer, it is 10 feet,
10
right? Look at the size. There we go. Okay.
10 feet in pure leather. So अगर हम इसको अगर सीटर के हिसाब से डिवाइड करें तो हम तो 5 बोल रहे हैं. दूसरे लोग इसको 6 बोल सकते हैं, 6.5 भी बोल सकते हैं, 7 भी कोई लोग बोलने के लिए कम नहीं रहेंगे.
Exactly. For
But
smaller size
standardly
of
it is
people.
like a 5-seater for us, 2 adults, 4 adults and 1 child.
Okay.
Yes.
Done. Generally, these kind of sofas are coming with the chrome finished legs. But we have chosen black. Sorry, gold.
Yes, sir. So these legs are selected by the client's architect, sir.
Okay.
So from our portfolio of legs, they have selected these legs. बाकी legs हम match करते हैं उनके बाकी elements से घर के. If they have used black more, we'll give them black legs. If they have used golden center table and all, we'll give them golden. If they have used rose gold stuff in their houses, we'll give them rose gold legs.
All
In
right.
that also we have different shapes, designs and every other thing.
Okay.
So वो भी एक ऑरा ऐड करता है आपके घर में कि लेग का शेप कैसा है. It is sleeker, it is bulkier. With respect to the sofa, it is very important to match the legs
All right.
shape. This leather sofa sir, pure leather. इसका 4+2 का कॉस्ट 4+3 का कॉस्टिंग है हमारे पास में, which is after discount 4 lakh rupees.
All right. Done.
Yes.
Three. You're talking about the.
This
the
is
main
a 5
sofa or
seater.
the
We
five
call it to be a 4 adult जितने उतना ही सर. ये इसके साथ में एक इसका 6 फुट का एक और एक वर्जन है. This is 10 foot and that is 6 foot. Total 16 running foot sofa. 4 lakh rupee in pure leather.
All right. And these chairs sets.
These are independent chairs. So this chair is like we have just kept here to match it little accent feature के लिए. ये chair पूरा solid wood में बना है. Metal framing, metal legs in the bottom. Total frame है नीचे इसके भी. This chair is priced at 49,000 after discount.
All right.
This is an accent chair. Can go anywhere in the house. Cute little cozy looking chairs.
Very, very beautiful chairs. And look at the size. It's pretty
Yes.
big. Very
Absolutely.
comfortable.
It's a very
larger. The
comfortable
bottom is the more luxury it gets.
Yes, the bottom is larger, but the chair should look little compact and cute. इसलिए हमने उसका back बहुत ही sleek और shorter किया है.
Okay. Done. Now there's one more element in this. You were talking about the head adjustment. That has got multiple levels.
Multiple level adjusters. That is a standard thing. So if you
Like
can
this
see
one. This is
yeah.
made for relaxation. Not many people have briefed it on claptrap.
Yes.
But this is generally it's just to make it like a modular sofa.
It is like a modular sofa, and moreover, it is to give you a proper neck support.
Right. When it is required.
Yes, proper neck support when it's required. When I sit, whatever posture I am at, it will give the exact support till my head, not
All
the
right.
neck.
Okay.
So these are headrest adjusters, not neck rest.
All right.
So this will come all the way till 90 degree. If my height is 6 feet 2 inches 3 inches, still my neck is supported. And then if I want to recline down, it is like lockable. आपने इसका lock खोला और ये
Okay.
पूरा नीचे चला गया.
Done. And this chair now, we'll talk about this chair.
This is our highlighter chair. I think almost from
This has
out of
become like a signature chair for
15,
us.
18 videos, 12 videos के आसपास में हमारे पास ये chair है. Very hot selling on Claptrap. Very comfortable.
Swivel.
Customers have taken this swivel chair from Mumbai, Coimbatore, Bangalore, Chennai, Agra, Lucknow, Delhi,
Okay.
Gurgaon. We have got orders from all around
The country.
India. Yes.
Okay.
And currently, every time this chair is into production right now with us for some other order, and they look very beautiful. The customers have taken it in n number of colors: grey, blue, purple, orange, pink, for pops, for living rooms, for dining rooms, for bedrooms.
Okay.
Everywhere. It's a multi-purpose room chair. Very comfortable one.
How much is this for?
सर ये अभी जो मेरे पास स्टॉक्स है उसके हिसाब से 50% के बाद में ये आपका आ जाएगा 32,500.
All right.
This is a 4-seater, luxury 4-seater, luxury 2-seater, 2 accent chairs, 1 coffee table, 1 nesting table, 2 side tables.
Okay.
Everything. ये पूरा सेट हमारा जाएगा अराउंड 10.5-11 lakhs MRP के आसपास में,
All right.
विच इज़ अ वेरी लग्जरी सेट. इसके अंदर टोटल फ्रेम आपका जैसा हमने लास्ट वीडियोस में भी बताया है, इट इज़ प्योर मेटल इनसाइड, एंड टू एंड पूरा फ्रेम है, नो पत्ती, नथिंग यूज्ड. टोटल 304 ग्रेड फ्रेम है इसमें,
On the main sofa,
on the on all total
Okay.
on
And
all
this
the 3
two-seater
sofas.
also. Okay.
Center tables are made up of metal sheets in grey powder coating, and rest of the sofas are made in pure stainless steel 304 in PVD.
And chairs?
Chairs, everything in PVD. Very long, very heavy gauge pipes. Hardly a single person can move it. It is too heavy. So ये पूरा सेट आपका अराउंड 5 to 5.5 lakhs में आफ्टर डिस्काउंट क्लाइंट को हो जाएगा.
Okay.
So they can make their luxury living room in this price.
All right. So number of units, there is a
This is only
3-seater
one.
equal to 4-seater.
4-seater,
Two-seater.
2-seater, 2 accent chairs,
2 coffee tables.
1 set of 2 coffee tables and 2 side tables. ये हमारा अर्दी कलेक्शन है.
Right.
Okay.
Are these because of the muted colors you're talking
Because of
about?
the muted colors and
Okay.
little sleek shapes. वो थोड़ा warmth feeling देगा ये आपके घर में
All right.
पूरा.
And this has a combination of two different fabrics.
Yes, darker fabric on the outside with very beautiful quilt and design, and light butterscotch cream inside, suede or velvet, giving it a beautiful finish.
Okay, done. And this we have got 3-seater, 2-seater, and single-seater.
Yeah, the sets are made in such way only so that all the things are visible to a client when they walk in or when they are asking for something. So 4-seater भी बनाया है हमने, 2-seater भी बनाया है, single seater भी बनाया है, so that they can imagine the look. So on order they can give 311, 3211, 322 also.
Okay.
So we have in stocks.
I was about to ask you
Yes.
that. I think you already have answered it.
Yes.
Okay. And center table?
Center table is pure stainless steel 304 grade in rose gold. As the side metal strips are rose gold and earthy, we have also kept the center table in an earthy manner the same way only. 3,25,000 for the entire set.
All right. There was a small side table also that we could not capture. Let me show you. This is the one, right?
Yes, sir.
Matching with the coffee
Matching
table.
with the coffee table. It's a
Okay.
single piece. Now, if someone wants to have one coffee table there, they can have one statue like this to add a warmth in the house. A decor piece element or a night lamp in one corner. दोनों तरफ साइड टेबल रखने से कोई मतलब भी नहीं गिरता है. एक तरफ में आपका कैसे भी वॉल कॉर्नर बनता ही है कोई भी क्लाइंट के घर में. When you are keeping a 3-to-1, either 2 wall corners or 1 wall corner is definitely formed in any house.
Oh, that was a very conventional way of keeping 2 side tables, 3-2-2
Yes.
and 3-2-1.
So nowadays it is
People
not
are
required. You can just keep a beautiful bubble night lamp
Very
there.
true.
You can keep a statue like this. You can
Very
keep a
true.
lighting statue,
Or planter or
planter or any other thing to add a warmth in the space.
something. Okay.
आपका
No, I was just kind of looking at this. कि ये क्या है ये?
वो polyester है.
अच्छा.
That is the thickness of polyester that we have used. But over a period of time, the polyester will leave metal.
Okay.
Polyester will stick to marble only.
Right. It doesn't stay on
Yes,
metal?
so it doesn't stay on metal polyester. So we can educate that. This is wantedly kept here like this to educate the client कि साइड में polyester नहीं कराना चाहिए.
Yes, so it's supposed to be on the marble
Yes,
only.
एक client ने हमारे साथ करवाया, हमने उसको फिर करा के दिखाया. Then we have kept this top for educational purpose. तो हम वही बोलेंगे सर ये top education purpose के लिए मेरे पास रखा है. Same top हम बना के
Okay,
देंगे.
so as it is, the layer of polyester, if you look at, it's going to change the color of the metal as well. Metal color has changed.
Yes, it
it's
has
looking
changed.
much better than
Yes.
this, right? This is looking very milky white.
Yes.
So this polyester layer will end here.
Yes.
And
The metal should be visible on the sides, and there should be no problem between having a hairline gap between the metal and the
correct.
stone.
Right.
To avoid that hairline gap, people tell us to do this. So when we do this happens.
Okay.
That is why
Alright.
this is the piece on display.
That's what I'm saying. That's what the experts are here for. It's like you going to a doctor and telling them what medicine do you want.
Absolutely.
So let's not do it. And there are experts. Let them do their job.
So
right?
there are few things in
furniture and
furniture
making.
industry where something वो अगर hairline gap आ रहा है हर जगह आ रहा है so it is because of a reason.
I know.
Otherwise we would have also found a better way to cover it.
I know, but the concern is food lodging basically.
Yes.
You can clean it. I mean, you can clear it
Sir,
with a
it
brush.
is a
and that's
very
all.
thin, very hairline. आपका खाली hair अंदर जा सकता है.
Okay, done.
ठीक है. और नीचे भी it is all protected. It's all marble. The only difference is that कि when we stick two things together, you find that line.
Very
when
true.
you join two marbles also, you find a black line.
Very true.
That is called a join line.
Very true.
Those join lines are natural. It is
Got
not that they are not good. They are not good enough to do that. Otherwise, you take entirely marble only on the site. On this design also, आप marble ही continue करवाइए side में.
That doesn't look that graceful now.
Yes.
This
So if you
looks more
want metal,
stylish.
let the metal show its beauty.
Very true.
Don't cover it with polyester.
Done. Moving on to the base now. Very heavy base. I have seen lighter version of this.
I have lighter version and bigger version of this also inside.
Bigger
with
than
me.
this?
Yeah, we have got this base lighter than this and bigger than this also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very heavy base. Very heavy. Humongous base. Must be very heavy unit in terms of kgs as
Absolutely, sir. Each dining table of ours is more than 250 kgs. Only the top. And the base, stainless steel की जब हम बात करते हैं base की भी, it totally depends on first thing the grade which we are using.
well. Okay.
First thing is grade 304 grade. उसका gauge thickness कितना है? 1.3 mm है, 1.5 mm है, 2 mm का thickness का हम कितना thickness का use कर रहे हैं? Apart from that, the weight. अभी मेरा base का weight अगर 50 kgs है, तो 50 kg के हिसाब से उसका price बनेगा. But
Very
our
true.
bases are more than 100 kgs. So because they have to take a load of 250 kg stone.
Very true. I mean, 100 kg base.
100 kg base, 250 kg stone. So a dining table is 3.5 ton.
Okay. I am getting vertigos. Because I have seen people, one mind lifting the whole dining table, running from one side of the road to the other side of the
That
road.
is the difference. वही तो हो गया कि quality product
क्योंकि
और
जैसे लास्ट टाइम
regular
याद है
product।
आपकी बात हुई थी हमारी, हमने बताया था कि जिस तरह से आप मेटल का वेट बढ़ाते हैं तो आपका पीवीडी पॉलिश का भी पर
हर
केजी से
चीज
वेट
का रेट
लगता है।
बढ़ता है, मेटल का रेट बढ़ाएंगे। सी एवरीथिंग इज सेग्रीगेटेड इंडस्ट्री। मेटल से ही लेबर का रेट है, इतने किलो पे इतना किलो लेबर को देना है, उतना किलो पीवीडी को देना है, उतना किलो ट्रांसपोर्ट को भी देना है, उतना किलो लेबर हैंडलिंग को भी देना है। सो इफ वन पर्सन कैन हैंडल दिस फ्रेम इन 2 हैंड्स लाइक दिस, मेरे को एक ही पर्सन का लोड बेयर करना है, बट आई नीड 2 पीपल टू लिफ्ट द बेस।
एक्चुअली मोर
बेस 2 पीपल कैन लिफ्ट, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल। 100 केजी 2 बंदे उठा सकते हैं।
वेरी ट्रू।
बट जब हम टॉप की बात करते हैं तो ये टॉप उठाने के लिए 8 बंदे चाहिए।
I know.
We need 8 people. So
I know these are the little
everywhere.
nuances people do not pay attention to.
Yes, so
like
from-
likewise in the truck to making to process to delivery everything.
So for making a 250 kg top, from starting till ending process till delivery, I need 8 constant people at every step.
Very true.
So if I'm taking 700 rupee per day wage also of a person, अगर उसको देख के भी चले तो हमारा 6,000 to 7,000 rupees पर हैंडलिंग जाता है ये टॉप में।
Very true.
अगर हम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हैंडलिंग में एक स्टेप देखें, रॉ स्टोन, कटिंग, पॉलिएस्टर, पैकिंग, डिस्पैच, डिलीवरी, 6 to 7 times 8 people are involved in the stone. तो 7,000 से हम 7,000 मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 50,000 तो खाली वो 8 बंदों का मैं दे रहा हूँ उसको उतने प्रोसेस के लिए।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। और
अगर वही
आपने
मैं
इसका-
लाइट वेट बना दूं,
इसका बेस कितना केजी बताया था आपने?
बेस 100 किलो के आसपास का है
ओके
और टॉप आपका 250 केजीज के आसपास का
ओके।
टॉप है।
अभी हम मेटल का वैल्यू काउंट नहीं कर रहे हैं इसमें। पीवीडी का मैंने सुना था कुछ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2,000 से स्टार्ट होकर पीवीडी तक 3,000 रुपीज पर केजी जाता है।
यस,
इट कैन गो इवन मोर। सो रफली अगर हम पकड़े गुड क्वालिटी पीवीडी इज अराउंड 3,000 रुपीज पर केजी, राइट?
सर वो तो आउटसोर्सिंग वाला हो गया, हमारा तो खुद का प्लांट है।
ओके बट मेरे को मालूम नहीं है कि हाउ डू यू कैलकुलेट, बट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली है। आपने कितना वेट बताया इसका?
100 केजीज
मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3,000 पॉलिश का कितना हुआ?
तो आपका तो 3,000 के हिसाब से अगर देख रहे हैं, इफ मार्केट में अगर पीवीडी का लोग 3,000 रुपए पर केजी चार्ज कर रहे हैं और 100 किलो अगर हो गया तो 3 लाख रुपए का तो खाली बेस हो गया सर।
पॉलिश का मे बी माय इंफॉर्मेशन इज इनकम्प्लीट, कुछ ऐसा मेरा डेटा ठीक नहीं है।
3,000 रुपए तो आई थिंक सर नहीं चल रहा होगा।
अच्छा।
मेरे ख्याल से जो पीवीडी का बेसिक रेट चल रहा है मार्केट का गुड क्वालिटी का 1,200 से 1,500 रुपया चल रहा है पर
तो
केजी।
लगभग 1 लाख के आसपास है
1 लाख का पॉलिश का कॉस्ट
Polish
हो
का
गया।
cost।
बेस का कॉस्ट आपका 50-60 हजार के आसपास हो गया। स्टेनलेस स्टील का कॉस्ट 200 रुपया किलो है। 100 किलो का 20,000, फैब्रिकेशन का उसका 50% 30,000।
ओके यू गिवन अ कंप्लीट ब्रेकडाउन।
सिंपल हो गया। तो अब हमारा
चलिए।
पीवीडी फ्रेम खुद का है, सब खुद का है, तो इसीलिए हम लोग लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट एक रेंज में दे रहे हैं जो लोकल प्रोडक्ट से ऊपर है, बट लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट से हाफ रेट में।
बिल्कुट ठीक बात है।
Original luxury product।
वील टॉक अबाउट द प्राइस नाउ। आई थिंक इतना टेक्निकल एंड डिटेल हमने इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दिया। एनीबॉडी वुड लाइक पीपल दोज हु आर नॉट अवेयर इवन दे विल फील लाइक इंडस्ट्री ओनर्स नाउ।
Absolutely.
हाउ मच
No,
इज
we
दिस?
get people like that. They know everything about the industry except pricing.
Okay. Taking in with a pinch of salt, you're right actually.
Yeah.
Okay, how much
Then
is this for?
This table is for 3,91,800 sir.
After
MRP.
discount?
MRP.
हाँ?
MRP. 3,92,000 का समझ के चलिए, उस पे 50% ऑफ होने के बाद में आपका 2 लाख के अंदर अंदर में ये 10 सीटर टेबल बैठ जाएगा।
And the chairs?
Chairs, each chair has different pricing. So this chair is MRP is 35,000. तो डिस्काउंट के बाद 17,500.
Okay. And this one?
And I think for a teakwood chair with premium upholstery, premium foam, quilting and everything, 17,500 जो हम प्राइस अभी लेके आए हैं इसका, वो
It's worth it.
It is worth it. We have never sold this chair less than 25,000 in our
Okay.
thing.
Done. Moving on to the next one now. These chairs are for how much?
This chair I'll just tag 1 second. So this chair MRP is 49,000. After discount it will be 25,000.
Each.
The fabric on this is also a little expensive. Choice of the client whether they are looking for a bulky sofa or they are looking for sleeker sofas. हमने इसको अर्दी कलेक्शन में रखा है, बट ये नियो क्लासिकल भी बन सकता है अगर हम इसको ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट कर दें।
अच्छा अच्छा,
These are
color
simple.
also makes a difference?
Color combinations also makes a difference because the shapes are in such a way that if you only change color, it changes the category.
You never share these kind of piece of information with us. पूरा एक दिन हम एक बात करते हैं. We'll have a small like chat show.
Definitely we can sit with the design team and also have a chat show. क्योंकि ये डिजाइन ऐसे बने हुए हैं हमारे पास में, जो भी हम लेके आए हैं आपके साथ, जो हम डिजाइन अभी सोफेस के देख रहे हैं, ये हम मॉडर्न, नियो क्लासिक, अर्दी, bespoke,
अच्छा।
कलरफुल,
Okay.
सभी में बना सकते हैं जस्ट बाय चेंजिंग द कलर्स।
ऑलराइट, एक बड़ी अच्छी बात हमने सीखने को मिली अभी कि अगर आप कलर चेंज करते हैं तो भी आपका थीम चेंज होने के चांसेस होते हैं,
100%
क्लासिकल न्यू क्लासिकल चेंज हो जाएंगे।
100% हो
लाइक
जाएगा।
दिस वन इज न्यू क्लासिकल।
This one, see, this is a modern set. It's a
Okay.
contemporary set.
ओके।
Okay. With this, if I have introduced brown and cream, तो ये मेरा earthy हो गया है। अगर मैं इसको ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट कर दूं, मेरा नियो क्लासिक में चला जाएगा।
Alright.
अगर मैं फुल ब्राउन कर दूं, मेरा क्लासिक में चला जाएगा।
Okay.
फुल क्रीम फुल क्लासिक विल गो क्लासिक, फुल क्रीम फुल ब्राउन विल गो इनटू क्लासिक।
Accordingly, other metals also will change.
Metals can also change. They can go into black, white, gold, rose gold, whatever color you want. वही अगर ये सोफा को मैं प्योर येलो कर दूं, मैरीगोल्ड येलो, वो मेरा वाइब्रेंट में चला जाएगा,
हाँ, थोड़ा सा ट्रेंडी
हो जाएगा। ऑरेंज एंड येलो कॉम्बिनेशन हम कर सकते हैं, ग्रे एंड येलो भी हम कर सकते हैं
ओके।
ट्रेंड में जाने के लिए।
Alright, so we're getting to understand that not only the shapes and sizes also, will change the theme, but also the color will play an
Colors
important
also. So
role.
if you like a particular sofa, the comfort and every other thing, then we will suggest you colors that will go in your house.
Okay, done. So this is for how much and what is the price with central table or without center table?
So without center table, this is 3.5 seater, 2 seater, 1 seater. The MRP is around 3,60,000 और डिस्काउंट के बाद में आपका आ जाएगा 1,80,000 रुपये में पूरा सेट। सेंटर टेबल के साथ में अगर मैं देखूं तो you have to add on around 50,000 more for the center table.
Alright, pretty reasonable these one.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the next one.
This is a newly introduced model by us, sir. This is an L-shaped lounger, which is famous Italian models में चलता है ये।
जी।
South India, you know, it's all Italian models more than luxury models.
Right.
So this is a lounger, 2-seater,
Okay.
and there is a recliner here.
Oh, okay. Motorized.
So this is a motorized recliner. So this can go up to 135 degrees, if you can see. एंड उसके बाद में ये मैनुअल नेकरेस्ट एडजस्टर है, so the client can adjust accordingly.
Oh, okay. Almost
And,
like
yes,
180
Luxuria was
degree.
not into recliner manufacturing till now. We are showing you, we have done our R&D for past 6 months, and now we have got the best models, best mechanisms in India, and we are manufacturing recliners also.
Okay. This arrangement of reclining can be attached with all the units or limited to one unit?
I'll tell you, we can attach it to all the units. So फिर उसमें क्या होगा, individual motor will
be required.
Yes. So this sofa is currently 1 frame, 2 frame and 3 frame.
Okay.
So then what we have to do is, वो frame अलग बनेगा, बीच का frame वो corner नहीं बनेगा. Then we can give 2 seats.
All right. Maximum 2 in this.
Maximum 2. If there are 3, we can give 2. If there are 4, we can give 2.
All right. I like this color. What is this color?
This is steel color. Like Siemens green. आपने अगर Siemens कंपनी का लोगो देखा है,
Right, right.
so this is Siemens green color.
Ocean green sort.
Yes, very subtle, soothing green.
Very beautiful. Very nice
Okay.
color.
In our office,
This
we
is
call
LED,
it to
right?
be yoga green.
Yoga green?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. It puts you on the elevation mode.
Yes, it is very soothing,
Okay.
and with that we have used a very light, subtle cement grey color
Right.
to add a contrast.
Beautiful combination.
इसमें डिफरेंस क्या हो जाता है, यही डिफरेंस है कि customers will find full grey sofa, full black sofa, full brown sofa, full maroon sofas in Italian industry imported at many showrooms.
Very true.
But they look for customization and little bespokeness. मतलब आपके घर में भी इटालियन सोफा लॉन्जर ब्राउन कलर का लगा है, दूसरे के घर में सेम डिजाइन लगा है, वो क्रीम कलर में लगा है। इंपोर्टेड इंडस्ट्री का यही होता है।
Right.
बट यहाँ पर हम लोग अब इसमें भी कस्टमाइजेशन लेके आ चुके हैं, where people can enjoy colors here also.
Very true. At the same time, you have rightly chosen this in the reclining seat because it distinguishes from the main seat.
Absolutely.
Also adds a lot of color. How
Yes.
much is this for and what is the price right
Sir,
now?
this price is price on request.
Okay.
For any client, they are calling us, we'll give them the price.
Best price you will give?
100%, 50% डिस्काउंट वाला प्राइस ही देंगे उनको।
चलिए. Center tables for how much?
सेंटर टेबल्स का सर, इसका आपका जो प्राइस हो गया है आफ्टर डिस्काउंट 72,500 सेट ऑफ 2।
Okay. Let's go to the next one.
Yes sir.